Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go ahead, open up your WhatsApp app right over here, and then you're going to go back and simply go to the section of settings at the bottom right corner. Then from over here, simply go ahead, navigate to chats. From over here, simply go ahead, access the chat backup, and over here you will be able to find the end-to-end encrypted backup option, where you simply have to tap on the turn off option and it will be turned off. Since I have not have backed up yet, so I will not be able to access the option, but if you have backed up turn on, you will find the option of turn off right away. Tap on the turn off and you're good to go. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.